Welcome to Tumal Online Classes. See students, today we are going to discuss the methods of integrations. Okay, so in the first exercise we are completed some basic questions. We have to practice the questions and see the next one is methods of integrations. So in these methods of integrations you have three types are there. So by using that we will calculate the integration problems. So see that one, what is the methods of integrations is. The first one you have to see that first one is integration by substitution. Integration by substitution, and the second one is integration using partial fractions. And the third one is integration by parts. So generally we will use these three methods. First one, what is the first one is integration by substitution, and what is the second one is integration using partial fractions. What is the third one is integration by parts. So these are three conditions we will use to solve the integration problems. Okay, so first one we will discuss here. First one is integration by substitution method. So what is the meaning of that one is, so first we have to understand that, then we can see the problems, we can understand that method easily. Okay, so what is the methods of integration by substitution? What is the meaning is that one? So see students, integration by substitution. So what is this? How to use these the condition? How to use this method here in the integrations? Okay, so see that one first. I will take an integration. The given integral integral of f of x into dx can be transformed into another form by changing the independent variable x to t. So we will change the independent variable. What is the independent variable is x. So we will change this x to t. By how to change this one? By substituting x is equal to g of t. If you can take x is equal to g of t, automatically the independent variable x will change into t. Automatically this integral value will be changed into another form. See that one first. So what I will take that one? Put x is equal to g of t. I am differentiating with respect to t. What is the meaning is that? That implies d by dt of x is equal to d by dt of g of t. So that is nothing but dx by dt is equal to g dash of t. So that implies dx is equal to g dash of t into dt. So this dx value, what you are integrating with respect to x, that value is changed into g dash of t into dt. What happens here, students? So automatically, hence integral of f of x into dx is changed it as integral of f of x value. X is nothing but g of t into g dash of t into dt. So automatically the independent variable x is changed into t. So the problem is changed into this method. So in this method, what is the important conditions you have to identify? What is the function you have to take as a x is equal to g of t or something? So what you have to understand that the derivative of that function is involved in the given integration. So what is the function you are taking as a t or a g of t? The derivative of that function is involved in the given integration. That function you have to substitute. So then automatically you will get this form. Automatically you can integrate by using the given formulas. What is the formulas are there? Automatically the problem is converted into that form. Then automatically we will solve the questions. Okay. See the students, what is the meaning of that methods of substitution is? First you have to change the given integral into another form by changing the variable, the independent variable x to t by substituting x is equal to g of t. Automatically if x is equal to g of t, you are differentiating with respect to t, dx by dt is equal to g of t. Dx is equal to g dash of t into dt. In the next models we can't take the dx by dt like this one. We will write directly dx is equal to g dash of t into dt directly. This term we will write in the next questions. Okay. So in the x side we will take a dx, and in the t terms, what is the term is there, in that side we will write a dt directly. We don't write a dx by dt, and another section we will does not take into the dt section, that is that side. So we will take a directly, x side is a dx and dt is that is the term of t is in the another side is there. We will take a dt on the another side directly. Okay. So automatically the problem is converted to this form. Then automatically this is the already you know the conditions. We know that for some formula it will be converts. So automatically we will use that formula. If you can start the problem, you can understand this easily. Okay. So see students, what is that one is so see some questions we can understand easily. So see some problems, very important formulas I am going to use here. So what is that formulas are? So the first one is, I will give you some result. So take some result here. Some result 1. So what is that? Is integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x into dx. F of x whole power n into f dash of x into dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, n not equal to minus 1. So see it is a very important formula in the objective, in the number of questions we will use. Okay. So this formula we will derive from the substitution method. Okay. So see that solution here students. So what is that one is? First I will take that, let or put f of x is equal to t. What I am taking that f of x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t, what happens? This f of x will become f dash of x into dx is equal to dt. I am already told that one. What is the f of x? The differentiation is f dash of x into, see this one actually, what is that? dx by dt into 1 actually. F of x with respect to t meaning is f dash of x into dx by dt, that is equal to derivative of t with respect to 2, it will become the 1 only. So that meaning is f dash of x into dx, it will become dt. Yes or no? So automatically what is I? Let I is equal to, what is the I? Integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x into dx. So that is equal to integral of f of x whole power n is nothing but t power n f dash of x into dx value, it will become dt. It is in the form of integral x power n into dx. Integral of x power n into dx. What is the formula of integral of x power n into dx? Formula is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So what we will take, students, here, that is equal to t power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So what is the t value? You have to replace what is the original function is, that is f of x. So automatically the problem will convert into the form of f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Or understand that? What is the important formula in the objectives? So we will use this formula in the problems also. Okay. So what is that? Integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x to dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. All are understood, students? So see another formula, very important formula, and we will use a number of questions in the integrations. Okay. So in the objective. Okay. So see that one. What is the next result is? Result 2. What is that? Integral of f dash of x by f of x into dx. Integral of f dash of x by f of x into dx. So that is equal to log mod f of x plus c. Log mod f of x plus c. So how to derive the formula for this result is, okay. So it is also substitution method we will use here. Okay. So see that one. So what is the condition is that? At first I will take that, put f of x is equal to t. F of x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. What happens, students? F dash of x into dx is equal to dt. F of x is equal to t. Automatically f dash of x into dx value, it will become dt only. So that implies, I will take that here, let I is equal to, the given problem I am taking it as I. So f dash of x by f of x into dx. So that is equal to integral of 1 by t into dt. See that one? Why? Because f dash of x into dx. F dash of x into dx is equal to dt. What I am told that one? If you are taking some function as a t, the derivative of that function involved in the given integration. So I am taking f of x is equal to t. The derivative of this function, that is f dash of x into dx, is involved in the given integration. So that's why you have to take that function as a t. Okay. So f dash of x into dx value, it will become dt. So what is the problem is converted? Integral of 1 by t into dt. So already know that integral of 1 by x into dx formula is log of mod x. So here what it will become? Log of mod t plus c. So that implies log of mod, what is the t value is? F of x plus c. So very important formula, integral of f dash of x by f of x into dx. Integral of f dash of x by f of x into dx. What is the formula is? Log mod f of x. So very important formulas in the objective. Okay. So if you know these formulas, we will get in one step answers. Okay. So see the next questions. So in the integrations, already you know some formulas. Integral of sine, integral of cos, integral of secant square x, integral of cosecant square x, all these ones. But you don't know the formula of integral of tan x is. So here we are going to derive the formula for integral of tan, integral of cot, integral of secant, and integral of cosecant. So by using of substitution methods. Okay. So see students, what is that? What is the first one is, that is result number 3. Result number 3, what is that one is? integral of tan x into dx, integral of tan x into dx, that is equal to log of mod secant x plus c. Integral of tan x into dx is equal to log of mod secant x plus c. So see that one, how to derive the formula for this one is okay. So see students, what I will take here, see students, first I will start that, put cos x is equal to t, put cos x is equal to t, what happens? Differentiate with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t, what happens? Cos x derivative is minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. So because f of x is equal to t, the derivative is f dash of x into dx is equal to dt, f dash of x into dx is equal to dt. So here sin x into dx, sin x into dx, it will become dt. Sin x into dx, it will become dt. Sir, why you are taking the cos x and sin x here? So see that one, I will take that, let I is equal to, what is the I value is? I is equal to integral of sin x by cos x into dx. So here, what is the function you have to take that? Cos x is equal to t, you are already taken. So sin x into dx, sin x into dx value will become the dt only. So automatically what is the problem will become? Integral of 1 by t into dt into this minus you are shifted to this side. So it will become minus dt. So this minus we are shifted to this side, it will become minus dt. So sin x into dx value is minus dt. So that is equal to minus integral of 1 by t into dt. So that is equal to minus log of mod t plus c. So that is equal to minus, if you can take this minus here out, so it will become log of t power minus 1 plus c. Why? Because n log x. What is the meaning of n log x? N log x is nothing but log x power n. Here minus 1 is there. Minus meaning is minus 1. You can take it as a t power minus 1. So that is equal to log of 1 by t plus 1 by t plus c. That is log of mod 1 by t value is cos x plus c. So that is equal to log of mod secant x plus c. Log of mod secant x plus c. Important formula. So see that students once again. Integral of tan x into dx is equal to log of mod secant x plus c. So first I am taken, why? Because tan x can be written as sin x by cos x into dx. Tan x is nothing but sin x by cos x into dx. So I am taken as a cos x is equal to t. Automatically the problem will be changes into the form of 1 by t sin x into dx value is minus dt. So replace that value and take the minus out. It will become integral of 1 by t into dt. Integral of 1 by x into dx formula is log of mod x plus c. Log of mod x plus c. So t value, if you can take this minus to the power of t, it will become 1 by t. T power minus 1, it will become 1 by t. T value is a cos x. So replace the value. 1 by cos is nothing but secant x plus c. All are understood students? Very important formula. Use that one and practice that question. And see the similarly integral of cot x also. Integral of cot x. So see that one, result number 4. Result number 4. What is that one? Is integral of cot x into dx. So that is equal to log of mod sin x plus c. integral of cot x into dx, that is equal to log of mod sin x plus c. So what is this question is? See that students, this is also same model. I will do that. So first I will take that sin x is equal to t, put sin x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t. What happens? Differentiate with respect to t, that implies sin x derivative is cos x into dx, it will become dt. So in this problem, what is the I? Let I is equal to integral of cot x into dx. So that is equal to integral of cot. Cot is nothing but cos x by sin x into dx. So that is equal to integral of sin x is equal to t. So the problem will become 1 by t cos x into dx. Cos x into dx, it will become dt. So integral of 1 by x into dx, integral of 1 by x into dx formula is nothing but a log of mod x. So automatically this problem will become log of mod t plus c. So that is equal to log of, what is the t? T is nothing but sin x. So one more important formula, integral of cot x into dx is equal to log of mod sin x plus c, log of mod sin x plus c. So cot x is written as cos x by sin x. So sin x you can take it as a t, cos x into dx it will become the dt. So the problem will become 1 by t into dt. So log of mod t plus c, so that is equal to log of mod sin x plus c. So similarly you can see that one more formula, integral of secant x into dx, integral of secant x into dx is equal to log of mod secant x plus tan x plus c, integral of secant x plus tan x, integral of secant x into dx, that is equal to integral of, that is integral of secant x into dx is equal to log of mod secant x plus tan x plus c. So see that question, how to solve this question is, okay. So see that one. So what is the I? First I will take that, let I is equal to, what is the I value is integral of, I will take a first here students, put secant x plus tan x, put secant x plus tan x is equal to t. What happens? Differentiate with respect to t, secant x derivative is secant x into tan x plus derivative of tan x is nothing but secant square x into dx is equal to dt. F of x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to t, f dash of x into dx is equal to dt. So that implies, I will take the secant x common here, you can take the secant x common, it will become tan x plus secant x into dx is equal to dt. So sir, why you are taking that secant x plus tan x is equal to t? Okay, already the term is involved in the answer also. Okay, so see that why I am taking this condition here. So the similar manner I will take that, let I is equal to integral of secant x into dx. So here what I will do that one, some adjustment, secant x into secant x plus tan x by secant x plus tan x into dx. So what I am did that one, just I am multiplied and divided with secant x plus tan x. Nothing will happen. So why? Because if these two terms are cancelled, it will become the original function. Okay. So total loss here, I just multiplied and divided with secant x plus tan x. Why I am divided this one? Already I am taken secant x plus tan x as a t. Yes or no? So secant x plus tan x is a t. Automatically, what is the function is here? Secant x into secant x plus tan x into dx value will become dt. So the total numerator, it will become the dt only. So what is the problem will become? That is equal to integral of 1 by t into dt. Integral of 1 by t into dt. So why? Because this total term is dt. This value is a t. So substitute this value. So what happens here? Integral of 1 by x into dx value formula already know that, log of mod x. So it will become log of mod t plus c. So that is equal to, what is this? Log of t. What is the t value is? T value is nothing but mod secant x plus tan x plus c. So see students, once again that formula. So what is that? Integral of secant x into dx is equal to log of secant x plus tan x, log of mod secant x plus tan x plus c. So what we have to take that first? Secant x plus tan x is equal to t. The derivative of that function with respect to t is secant x into tan x, or secant x plus tan x into dx is equal to dt. So automatically here take the function as I, integral of secant x into dx. So just what I am did that one, just multiplied and divided with secant x plus tan x, secant x plus tan x. So what happens? The total numerator, it will become the dt. The denominator secant x plus tan x is a t. So the problem will become integral of 1 by t into dt. So what happens? Log of mod t plus c. So that is equal to log of mod secant x plus tan x plus c. All are understood, students? So see the one more formula here, result number 6. See the result number 6. So what is that formula is? Integral of cosecant x into dx. Integral of cosecant x into dx is equal to log of mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. Integral of cosecant x into dx is equal to log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. So how to solve this question is here, students. See that one, very important formula once again. So here also what we will take that in the same manner what we had did in this previous question. So we will also do the same question here. Okay. So what is that one is? First we will take that integral of, that is I will take that, not integral, cosecant x plus cot x is equal to t. Cosecant x plus cot x is equal to t. So what happens? Differentiate with respect to t. So what happens? Cosecant x derivative, anyone can tell that? Minus cosecant x into cot x. What is the cot x derivative is? Minus cosecant square x into dx, it will become dt. Minus cosecant x into cot x minus cosecant square x into dx, it will become dt only. So what I will do that one, just to take the minus common, minus, I will take the minus common, minus of, and also cosecant x also I will take the common. So what it will become? Cot x plus cosecant x into dx, it will become dt. So that implies cosecant x into cosecant x plus cot x, cosecant x plus cot x. So what happens? Into dx, it will become minus dt. Take this minus to that side. So I will take the given function as a I. What happens? I will take that, let I is equal to integral of cosecant x into dx. Integral of cosecant x into dx. So that is equal to, in the same manner I will multiply and divide it with cosecant x plus cot x. So cosecant x into cosecant x plus cot x by cosecant x plus cos x. Cosecant x plus cot x into dx. Just I am multiplied with cosecant x plus cot x. So what happens, students? That is equal to integral of, already cosecant x into cosecant x plus cot x into dx value will become minus dt. So the total numerator, it will become minus dt. So cosecant x plus cot x value is t. So what is the problem will become 1 by t into minus dt. So I will take that minus integral of 1 by t into dt. So that is equal to minus log of mod t plus c minus 1 by minus log of mod t plus c. So see, students, some calculation part is there. So what is that one is? So minus, that is equal to minus log of mod, what is the t value is? T value is nothing but, I will take that one more step. If you can remove this minus, it will become 1 by t plus c. So if you can remove the minus, it will become t power minus 1. T power minus is 1 by t. So that is equal to log of mod 1 by cosecant x plus cot x plus c. So log of 1 by cosecant x plus cot x plus c. So already I know the formula. What is that? Cosecant square x minus cot square x, cosecant square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. See, students, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Yes or no? So one value I am written as a cosecant square x minus cot square x. So that is equal to log of a square minus b square, you can written as cosecant x plus cot x, cosecant x plus cot x into cosecant x minus cot x by cosecant x plus cot x into, that's c. So see, students, once again, what is the adjustment I am did here? So 1 I am written as a cosecant square x minus cot square x, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. What happens? I will cancel these two terms here, students. So what happens? Log of mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. So see, students, that's very important formula. What is that? Integral of cosecant x into dx. So what is the integral of cosecant x into dx? Is equal to log of mod cosecant x minus cot x. Integral of mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. So how to take that one is, first we have to take cosecant x plus cot x is equal to t. So what is the differentiation is cosecant x into cosecant x plus cot x, cosecant x into cosecant x plus cot x into dx is equal to minus dt. So take the problem here, I is equal to integral of cosecant x into dx. So just I am multiplied and divided with cosecant x plus cot x. So what happens? The total numerator, it will become minus dt. So the problem is integral of 1 by t into minus dt. So take this minus out, it will become a minus integral of 1 by t into dt. So integral of 1 by t is a log of mod t. So already minus is there. If you can take the minus, as a t power minus 1. So just why, that's why you can written as log of 1 by t, log of mod 1 by t. What is the t value is? You are already taken. T value is nothing but cosecant x plus cot x. So in the numerator 1 is there. 1 can be written as a cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. So that's why I am written as a cosecant square x minus cot square x. So a square minus b square is there. So you can written as a plus b into a minus b. So what we can cancel that? Cosecant x plus cot x, cosecant x plus cot x will be cancelled. It will become log of mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. All are understood, students? See that once again. See, students, see the exercise 7.3. So see the some questions here. Exercise 7.3. So see some questions. So the first question is, see some questions. So see the first question. Integrate the functions. Integrate the functions is the first question is integral of 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. So integral of 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. So see that question, students. So first I will take the solution here. So first I will take put 1 plus x square is equal to t. Sir, why you are taken 1 plus x square is a t? Why? Because the derivative of x square is a 2x involved in the given integration. So that type of functions you have to take as a t. Are understanding that? The derivative of that function is involved in the given integration. So 1 plus x square is equal to t. What we will do that one? Differentiate with respect to t. So the derivative of 1 plus x square is a 2x into dx is equal to dt. Differentiation, the derivative of 1 is 0, x square derivative is 2x into dx is equal to dt. F dash of x into dx is equal to dt. So I will take that, let I is equal to, take the given function as I. So automatically 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. So that is equal to integral of 1 by t 2x into dx, it will become the dt. So what happens, students? It is log of mod t plus c. So that is equal to log mod, what is the t value? T value is nothing but 1 plus x square plus c. Why you are using the mod value here? It is a positive. Already 1 plus x square is a positive. X square is a positive, 1 is also positive. The sum is a positive value only. So you can remove the mod, nothing will happen. You can written as 1 plus x square plus c. So integral of 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. I am taking it as a 1 plus x square is equal to t. So what happens? 2x into dx value, it will become the dt only. So automatically the problem will become integral of 1 by t into dt. So integral of 1 by x into dx formula is log of mod x plus c. What is the t value? T value is nothing but 1 plus x square. Replace that value. Why we are using that mod value? X value greater than 0. That function you have to take a greater than 0. That's why we are using the mod. So already 1 plus x square is a positive value. So that's why you can remove the mod. Nothing will happen. So log of 1 plus x square plus c. So all are understood, students? See the question number 2. So what is the question number 2 is? See the question number 2. So that is integral of log x whole square by x into dx. So integral of log x whole square by x into dx. So what we have to do that for this question is, so see, students, I will take here, put log x is equal to t. So automatically differentiate with respect to t. What happens? Log x derivative is 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. So you can understand that why I am taking the log x is equal to t. 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. 1 by x into dx is involved in the given integration. So that's why I am taking log x is equal to t. So what is the problem will become? So let take the function as I, take the given problem as I, integral of log x whole square by x into dx. So what happens, student? Log x value is a t. So integral of t square 1 by x into dx, it will become the dt. Are you understand, students? Log x is equal to t. So what is the problem? It will become t square dx by x. Dx by x value, it will become the dt. 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. So you can replace that integral of t square into dt only. So it is in the form of integral of x power n. Formula is t power 2 plus 1 by 2 power 1, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So that is nothing but, what is the t? T is nothing but a log of x. So that's why what we have to take that log of mod x. So that is 1 by 3 into log of mod x whole cube plus c. So why? Because if you are taking the log x value, compulsory you have to take apply the mod also. Nothing will happen here. I will take the log of mod x. Okay. If you are using the log, that x value is a positive, so you can apply that log of mod x whole square, log of mod x whole cube by 3 plus c. Okay. So see the next question. See the question number 3. So integral of 1 by x into that is x plus x log x plus x log x into dx. Integral of 1 by x plus x log x into dx. So see, students, what I will take that 1 plus log x is equal to t. 1 plus log x is equal to t, log of mod x. Differentiate with respect to t. What happens? 1 by x into dx, it will become dt. Log of mod x is a 1 by x into dx, it will become the dt only. So why I am taking that? See here, let I is equal to, what is the problem is integral of 1 by x plus x log x into dx. So you can written as integral of 1 by, if you can take the x out, it will become 1 plus log x into dx. So that is equal to integral of 1 plus log x is equal to t. 1 plus log x, log of mod x, log x, nothing will be changed here. That is x value is a positive one. Okay, don't confuse with that one. So 1 plus log x is equal to t. 1 plus log x is equal to t, and 1 by x into dx. 1 by x into dx value will become the dt. 1 by x into dx value will become the dt. So automatically, what is the problem will become 1 by t into dt. So that is equal to integral of 1 by t into dt is nothing but log of mod t plus c. So that is equal to log of mod, what is the t value is 1 plus log x plus c. 1 plus log x plus c. All are understood, students? See the next question. See the question number 4. So integral of sine x into sine of cos x into dx. Integral of sine x into sine of cos x into dx. So see, students, see the solution of this question is, so what I will take that, put cos x is equal to t. What happens? Differentiate with respect to t. Cos x derivative is minus sin x into dx. It will become the dt. So that implies sin x into dx, it will become minus dt. Sin x into dx value will become the minus dt. So what is the problem is, let I is equal to, take the given function as a I. So what is that? Sin x into sine of cos x into dx. So what happens, students? Integral of sine of cos x, see this term, sine of cos x is nothing but sine t. Sin x into dx, sin x into dx, it will become minus dt. So it is a minus dt. See that term once again? Sine of cos x, sine of cos x, cos x is equal to t, automatically sine of cos x will become sin t, and sin x into dx, sin x into dx value will become the minus dt. So take the minus out, it will become minus integral of sin t into dt. So minus of integral of sine is nothing but minus cos t plus c. Minus of minus, it will become plus, so it will become cos t plus c. So that is equal to cos t. What is the t value? Is cos x. So it will become cos of cos x plus c. So see that question, students. So practice that every day. You have to practice that formulas and practice these questions and write down in the notes. Okay. So we will continue in the next class.